Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this 1996 Malaysia 8 Series 10 ringgit notes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this 8 Series 10 ringgit notes, is issued around 1996 to 1998, and the bank governor at the time is Tan Sri Dato Ahmad bin Muhammad Dong. This is his signature. Now the size of this banknote is 140 mm times 65 mm. And here are these prefix, which I will put at the video description. However, from this period onward, the printer of the banknotes are never printed on the banknotes, so we will never know who print it. So I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the notes. Now I did not have a uncirculate condition one, so but still presentable for you all. So you all don't mind. This is how the banknotes look like. To identify whether this is an 8 series or not is to look at the signature here. Alright, go and turn it around. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.